Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this fall-inspired body butter. This is fast absorbing and it's great as the cooler temperatures are starting to set in. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin making this body butter, I will be adding some mango butter to my beaker. This is anti-inflammatory and helps to protect the skin. To that mango butter, I will be adding some cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is high in fatty acids and is great for hydrating the skin. After adding the cocoa butter, I will be adding this next ingredient. It's called cetyl alcohol and it helps to thicken and add texture to my body butter. The first oil that I'll be using in this body butter formula today is going to be macadamia nut. This is a great source of vitamin E, and when applied to the skin, it does not feel greasy. The last oil that I'll be using is going to be isopropyl mystrate, also known as IPM. This is an ester, and it helps to make the body butter not as greasy. So now it's time to go ahead and cover my beaker. I will be placing this in my double boiler on my stove on the lowest setting for about 20 to 25 minutes until everything is completely melted. So as you can tell here, everything has melted completely, and I will be letting this sit just for a few minutes before I add my remaining ingredients. So this next ingredient is a really good one as it helps this body butter really kind of target itchy skin or eczema, and it is called vitamin E. To give this body butter a fall scent, I will be adding some sweet orange essential oil along with some cinnamon essential oil. Now that my essential oils have been added, I will be again covering my beaker and placing this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. After 20 minutes, your butter should be semi-solid, not completely hardened, but just enough. And let's go ahead and mix this. This will help give it a nice kind of fluffy texture. So after mixing the body butter for just a few minutes, here is what it looks like. This next step is completely optional. If you do not want to color your body butter, go ahead and skip this step. I have chosen to add just a hint of bronze to my body butter, so I will be adding some bronze mica, and what I have done is I have separated my body butter into two separate containers and will be adding the mica to the smaller container and then mixing the two together. So here is the finished body butter. I absolutely love this fall scent, and when I applied it to my skin, it did absorb fast and left it not feeling greasy. Before I end this week's video, let me share with you the formula that I used to create this body butter along with any substitutions. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.